Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we are going to see an powerful DAX function which are used inside Power BI. So in this whole video we are going to see what is calculate function in DAX and how to use this inside Power BI or in report. So we have a sample electronic store data set. So let's say we have an store manager who is asking us to find the total sales which are happened only using online channel. So we will see how this calculate function is used to solve this business scenario, and we will also learn how the calculate functions which are used to change the filter context in the report. So let's start. So I'm inside Power BI now. So this is our electronic store data set, and we have a sales table for this store. So in this table we have the details of each order which has been purchased from the customer. So let us see how the total sales for online channel is calculated. So if you see this table, I have used my category of products as a filter context, and I have also used my total sales measure. So this is nothing but my sum of revenue. And now I want to calculate my total number of sales which happened only by online channel. So for that I'll create a new measure, and I'll give a title like online measure, online sales. So here I'll use my calculate function. So if you see this syntax for this calculate function, it takes the expression and it evaluates an expression with respect to the filters given in the calculate function. So let me give the expression like sum of revenue. So I can use my sum function as an expression, or else I can just mention my measure which has been created already. So I have my total sales measure which was created already, and after this inside my filter field I'm going to give a filter. So I will choose my channel column here, and I'll give a filter like online. So now this calculate function will give me the total sales which has been happened only by online channel. So let me save this measure, and I will bring this in the table. So if you see this table, for each product category, my online sales measure, which gives me the total number of sales which are happened only by online channel. So for accessories, you can see the total number of sales which have happened is this, and the sales which have happened by online channel is this. So this is how our calculate function will help us to create new insights or calculation in our report. And this calculate function, which also has a power to bypass this filter context. So let me give an example for that. So I will create a new measure. So I will write it as accessories. So here I will calculate my total sales which are happened only for accessories. So I will use my product details table, and I will filter my category column to accessories. And so now I will bring this measure in my table. So now you can see that our accessories measure, which ignores any filter contexts which are applied in the visual, and it calculates only the sales which are happened for accessories. So for each row, it gives me the accessories sales alone. So this is how the calculate function, which has the powerful way to ignore the filter contexts which are applied in the visual. So you can see the difference of how the calculate function has the unique way of ignoring the filter context and still does the operation. So this is how the calculate function which helps to solve the business use cases. So I can also show this in a chart. So this gives me the comparison of total sales versus the online sales. So I will take my accessory sales. So now you can see the comparison of total sales versus online sales for each category. So this is how we can use the calculations in our report. So thanks for watching this video.